Welcome back, folks. If you were in the market to buy a new home, we have got just the event for you this weekend. The Greater Albuquerque Association of Realtors is hosting the Grande Open House, and we got a sneak peek of some of the hot listings this fall.
Super excited, Albuquerque. The 2019 Grande Open House is coming for everybody to be able to walk through all the houses that we have online here in Albuquerque, New Mexico.
The Grande Open House is one of our biggest events. It's where everybody in Albuquerque who has a house listed with the Greater Albuquerque Association of Realtors has an open house. We typically have 500 plus homes, and it's a great event.
The market is phenomenal. We have such low inventory going on now that if you're thinking of buying or selling a home, you've got to jump in there. With a low inventory market, if you're looking to sell your house, this houses sell really quickly as long as you're priced right, look good, and use a realtor. If you're looking to buy a house, you've got to do your homework, you got to look, and when you find the house that checks all the boxes, you want to make sure and jump right on it, and your realtor will help you with that.
You know, there's so many advantages, but a realtor is an advocate for their clients, and in this competitive market with low inventory, it's a great edge, if you will, to have a realtor who's on your side, working on your behalf.
But they're going to support you with all different types of needs, things from where to buy, how to buy, and what's going to come here in the future. Having a realtor on your side is just going to make the whole experience a lot more pleasant. Buyers right now are taking advantage of the low interest rate and the high activity going on. People are putting on their houses on the market and they're actually pricing them right. So when you go out as a buyer, you're going to have a lot of houses to choose from that are really priced well and are really ready to sell. Now sellers, they sell fast. So price it right, list it, make it look pretty, get your realtor, it will sell. That's a big advantage of today's market.
The blue open house signs are available for all the brokers who are having their listings on the open house tour. And so if you look and you see a blue open house sign that weekend, it's obviously part of the GAAR Grande Open House.
So we will see you October 5th and 6th at the Grande Open House, and you'll see a full list of all the open houses at www.newmexicohomesearch.com.
Well, I just hope everybody will come out and enjoy the open houses, and we hope to see you there.
Is this weekend, October 5th and 6th. If you want more information on this great home event, just head over to nmliving.com.